Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always use secure connections, that means HTTPS, in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. HTTPS ensures that your data remains encrypted and secure while browsing the web, whether you are banking, shopping, or simply browsing your favorite sites. HTTPS provides an additional layer of protection against malicious attacks. By default, this feature remains turned off and you need to enable it to use it. To enable this one feature, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says Settings. In the drop down menu, click on this one Settings option. Under Arc Settings, click on this one Default option under Profiles section. Now click on this one Add a button beside Advanced Search Settings. After that, click on this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Security option. Now scroll down and you will find this one Always use secure connections under Advanced section. Just turn on this one toggle switch to enable HTTPS whenever possible, and you will get a warning message in case the site you are trying to visit does not support HTTPS. That's all about this video. Bye.